Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode of Now Chinese with Memes. Hopefully we will get some interesting memes today.
Yeah, and I've been reading this Chinese book all morning, so I'm warmed up and ready to go. Okay, the usual shitty quality for a meme. 送你帽子
送你个
帽子 I'm sending you a hat.
Mm-hmm.
But there is a deeper meaning, I imagine. Tell me about it.
Green hat, 绿帽子 in Chinese has its special meaning. It means your wife is cheating on you. So when your wife cheats on you, she's giving you a 绿帽子.
Okay.
Do you have similar analogy in Italian?
We say horns. Sorry, horns, like this. We say that guy has got horns. Means that his wife is cheating on him. And it's usual practice that when such a guy walks by and he doesn't know that he's being cheated on, everybody does this, like this, behind his back.
Savage.
Yeah, it's very savage. Yeah. Another Louis Mouth. Look at that. 想开店，兄弟. So 想开店。
想开店 is like let it go. Let
Little
it
brother.
go.
Brother.
Yeah, so when we try to tell somebody, look at brighter side, don't be too upset about one thing, we say 想开点.
Okay. 我可以不吃，可以不喝，但我不可以学习，我不可以不学习。I can not eat. I can not drink, but I cannot not study.
Yeah.
So that's probably a Chinese student, right? That really doesn't want to study on that day, but he know he cannot not. He cannot not study.
No, I think it's just, in my opinion, this would be just somebody who is bullshitting. It's okay, I don't eat. It's okay, I don't drink, but I cannot not study. Would you believe it? This is a good segue into a keyword in Chinese slang. This kind of behavior of pretending to be somebody you are not, or saying something beyond your own capability, being pretentious, showing off, is called 装逼. 装 means pretend. 逼 is a very vulgar word. I would not explain what it means here, but very often you see Chinese people using the English alphabet 逼 because it sounds very similar. So 装逼 is to be pretentious, to boast, pretend to be somebody who you are not.
Okay.
And now, look at this one.
So the last two is 装逼, right? 轻轻 is that 轻?
静静.
静静的看你装逼. So very quietly looking at you, pretending to be somebody you're not.
Yeah, but now we can use this two in combination. So there could be, it could be I send a picture say, 哦，我可以不吃，可以不喝，但是我不可以不学习。And then you can send this other one. Yeah, 静静的看你装逼。
你不
装逼。
Oh, that's 装逼. 你不装逼会死吗? Like if you don't pretend to be somebody you're not, are you gonna die?
Yeah. Can't you just not to be so pretentious?
Yeah.
Very cute. There's one more.
谁在装逼? Who is pretending?
Oh, who is there being pretentious? I can't bear to look.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Yeah.
It's kind of cute.
Blinding me with his light of pretentiousness.
Okay, this one.
Oh, I'm bad with numbers, but 你好, 1米8.
1米8.
I don't know what is millimeters.
180毫米.
毫米，180毫米，180 square meter
平米，
平米，你听的，
你懂的。
你懂的。
懂 is understand. It's like, 180, 180, and 180. What does that mean?
I see that he's got a boner.
No? Oh, you really lack imagination.
Like a huge boner?
No. 1米8, 180 centimeter is the height. In China, when you are looking for a partner, people actually care about height a lot, especially older generation. For example, whenever I have a new boyfriend, the first thing my family is going to ask is, how tall is he? 他有多高? So 1米8 is the height. 180 mm
Is the length of the penis.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And 180平米
It's the square meters of the
house.
Yeah.
Again,
Yeah.
in finding a partner, having a house can play quite a big role in the old thinking. So this guy ticked all the big boxes. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you've learned something new today. And if you have any memes that you don't understand, you can send us the message on Instagram and we will tell you what it means, and hopefully we get to use it as inspiration for our next episode as well.
Thank you for watching and see you next time.